Welcome to our video on how to prevent microphone access on Snapchat for Android devices. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to make sure that Snapchat doesn't have access to your microphone, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down on the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Snapchat application. This is where you'll find all the permissions that Snapchat has on your device. Tap on Permissions and you'll see a list of permissions that Snapchat has requested. Look for the microphone permission and tap on it. Finally, select Don't Allow to prevent Snapchat from accessing your microphone. This will ensure that the app can't listen in on your conversations or record audio without your permission. By following these steps, you can take control of your privacy and prevent Snapchat from accessing your microphone. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.